I want to call up Rocky. Got some questions. Okay, hold on. It's ringing. Hello, Sylvester. Sly. Hi, it's Natasha. From the Nanaboozhoo show. How you doing? Did I wake you up? Oh no, good. Say, do you want to be on the show today? Nanaboozhoo wants to talk to you. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna transfer you. All right, sweetie, he's on line 2. All right, line 2. Mr. Stallone. Hey, yo, what's going on? You can call me Sly. Yes, Sly Stallone. How are you, sir? Oh, I'm doing okay. I'm doing all right, I've been up for hours. I went for my run. I went for a run with, my dog, Butkus. Oh, yeah, Butkus. And then I went for a short run around the apartment with Cuff and Lynx. Cuff and Lynx? Who are Cuff and Lynx? They're my turtles. You still have those turtles from the movie? Yeah, those things live forever. Cuff and Link are both there, like 45 years old. I had no idea. You gotta be kidding me. Yep, they're still alive, and they're still my little pets. When they die, I think I'm gonna, have like maybe a memorial service for Mick, and then I will indeed, cook up them turtles, make some turtle soup. Uh, really? I thought they were pets to you. Well, yeah, but come on, they're turtles. That's not really a pet. Yeah, does a turtle count as a pet? Oh, they're like living decoration. I don't think they know that what I am, so no. It's like having a fish. Yeah. I knew a girl once who, she had a pet fish, and she treated it like it was her pet. She'd come home, hi, honey, did you miss me? And she'd tap on the bowl. She goes, yeah, I think he misses me when I'm gone. And I'm like, it's a fish. It's food. Yeah, exactly. So I let them out to get some exercise, but they're really slow. Even with my inspirational music, the Cuff and Link, they can hardly run at all. Yeah, huh? Anyway, so thanks for taking my call. I was going to ask you, did you know the Ojibwe word for Rocky? Did I know? Of course, it's Asanika. Yeah, exactly, Asanika. Asanika, Rocky. I was in a movie called Rocky. Yeah, you were in like a dozen movies called Rocky. Yeah, forget about it. And so yeah, my character was the Italian stallion, and his name was Rocky, and I wrote that play or that movie. I know, huh? That's pretty cool. You wrote the screenplay to Asanika, the Rocky. But why do you suppose? I mean, you wrote the movie. Why did you call him Rocky? Why did I call the character Rocky? Well, it's kind of loosely based on other boxers. There was Rocky, that famous boxer. Yeah. Or was there a famous boxer named Rocky? Yeah, that famous boxer. Or maybe mobster. Yeah. Rocky Marceloni or something. Yeah, it's kind of a nod to the, real boxers. Yeah. If there had been a church of Muhammad Ali, would you have gone to that church? Yeah, absolutely. I wouldn't mind going to a church if Muhammad Ali was the pastor. Yeah, but what if the actual religion was about praying to, like, the ghost of, assuming he's dead, praying to the ghost of Muhammad Ali? Well, I don't know. That sounds pretty silly. You think it's pretty silly? Yeah, I'm a Catholic. You're a Catholic? Yeah, that's right. Didn't you ever watch my movie? And I'm Italian. All Italians are Catholics. Is that right? Yeah, forget about it. Come on, watch the Godfather. Oh, okay. So every stereotype's true? Yeah, that's right. Forget about it. So yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to call. I wondered if you knew what the Ojibwe word for Rocky was. Yeah, Asanika. It's Rocky. Or you can just say if you see a rock, Asin. Hey, are rocks sacred to the Ojibwe people? Well, yeah, actually. I mean, like everything's sacred. But sometimes when we're in a sweat lodge,
We'll call those rocks grandfathers. Grandfathers? Your grandfathers are rocks? Well, no. I mean, if you believe in evolution, then yeah. But we call them grandfathers because they're so old. And sometimes we even think they have a spirit. A rock has a spirit, come on. Yeah, it's true. Some rocks have spirits. You know, they say you can get a manji manadug from a rock. You know, speaking of Iraq, how come Rambo doesn't get involved in the Middle East? Yeah, there was a time, there was a time. Was there? I don't remember. I think I fought in Vietnam or something. Yeah, that's right. Rambo was long after that. Anyway, so how's everything else? Oh, not too bad, not too bad. What are you gonna do today? Well, it's Friday, so I gotta go through the bills. I'm gonna pay my bills and then do the dishes, and then I'll probably take a nap. Yeah, you're kind of getting up there in years, aren't you? Yeah, that's right. I'm not as young as I used to be. All right. Well, I better let you go then. Hey, yo, can I ask you, how do you say that, I will see you again in Ojibwe? Oh, we say, Gigawaba Min, Menawa. Gigawaba Min, Menawa. Yeah, Gigawaba Min, Menawa, Rocky. I mean, Sly. Hey, forget about it. Asanika, Rocky.
Do you suppose kids still remember Rocky?
I don't even care. If you're like under 30, under 40, how old am I? You might not even know who I'm talking about. Asanika is Rocky.